let's talk about how to write titles in MLA formatting. Titles have to be written correctly, and if they aren't written correctly according to MLA formatting, you're going to end up losing points quite possibly. And the thing is that sometimes when we build citations, the citation machine that we use online can make errors in this area and then cost you points. So this is a good thing to just know how to do. And when we write our titles correctly, it actually tells our audience whether we're talking about the title of a long work or a short work. For example, To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel, so it's long. It's a long book, so the title is in italics. The Great Gatsby is both a novel and a movie, so because it's a long work, italics. Same thing for a magazine. So your reader sees that italics and knows it's for a longer work. Note that in MLA, all of the big words start with capital letters. And then if we look at the short works, the title is not in italics, but it's in quotation marks. So the first example is the title of a short story, then the title of a poem, and then the title of a newspaper article. So your readers can see that and know that we're looking at the title of a newspaper article. I usually use the example that if you wanted to write the title of a TV show, like The Office is in italics, but the title of an individual episode would be in quotation marks. So here's the example if we wanted to look at what a title would look like as part of a works cited page. Here we go. We have a citation for a book and a citation for an article. Now, I don't like APA formatting because it's not generally used in an English classroom, but it is used in a lot of your other classes. So I'm just going to walk you through this quickly. There are a few differences. While you do have italics for the long works and quotation marks for the short works, the capitalization is very different. Notice that only the first word in the title starts with a capital letter in APA, whereas in MLA, all of the big words in the title start with a capital letter. So if you mistakenly follow APA in a class that's required MLA, you could lose some points for the title and the other way around. So if we look here at an APA reference list, they call it a reference list instead of a works cited, you can see those minor differences. So here are some tips to remember. It can be hard to have all of this memorized when you're writing your freshman level essays, but you can always come back for a little reminder.